Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you to how to create a cartoon effect using Opencv in Python. And if you want to plot it, then you also use numpy and matplotlib to plot your picture in a frame. So just start, and for that you require a cartoon has two important characteristics, uh, clear edge and homogeneous color to convert the picture into cartoon. Starting from an original image, we are going to give it a cartoon effect. For that, you required a Python, pycharm, Opencv, numpy and matplotlib. Now just start it into the Python and get it. As usual, you have to create a project. Go to the file, create new project, name some name for that project, and then you need some pictures to which you want to convert into the cartoon. So I am using so many and I will show you one by one. First of all, you have to install this Opencv and numpy and matplotlib. As usual, go to the Google, there library. Here you have to write Opencv Python, and then you will get the library from Google. Go to downstairs, click here, and you will get the copy this link and come again in the pycharm and go to terminal. There you have to press Ctrl V to get the command and install it. This way you can one by one install all the libraries and then come to the appearance presentation view, so you can see the program clearly. So here I have written import CV2. That means you have to import the Opencv. Then you have to take one image. I have taken Ganesh.jpg and I will read it into the image img. So img equals to cv2 image read Ganesh JPG. Then converting into the edge form. For that I have to convert the image into gray. So for that you write cv2 color image cv2 color bgr2 gray. Then blur it. Gray equals to cv2 median blur gray comma 5. Here you have given a 5, the intensity of K size, the size of the image. Then edges equals to, now you want to convert it into the edges form. So write CV2 adaptive threshold gray 255, and this is the maximum value. I have written all the syntax before I write the syntax of the CV2. So gray 255 CV2 adaptive threshold mean and its type CV2 threshold binary. When you give this 2, then you will get the edges of the picture. So and then you have to set the block size. For that I have given a 9,9. Then again go and find out the color of the picture. For that you have to write CV2 bilateral filter. Now you are filter the edges and you will get the color. For that you have to write image source, that is a image, and then destination D9 and sigma color and sigma space. This is a syntax of bilateral filter. Then when you filter it, then you only get the color of the picture, not the edges of the picture. And then now you convert it into the cartoon. There are two pictures have made by you, that is gray and edges, and then cartoon equals to CV2 bitwise and color comma color mask edges. This time you are masking the edges of the picture. Now you show the one by one the image, then cartoon, then color, then edges. So one by one you will show all these things, and just now run this and you get the picture. Here you have taken original image, then convert it into color form, cartoon form and edges form. So this way you can convert your picture into the cartoon form. This is the cartoon form and this is only edges and this is only color of the picture. Here there no edges, here only the edges, and white you are getting due to masking of your image. This way you can use several images to convert into cartoon form. For that you have to change the image name and you will get the another cartoon. For that I have taken another image, that is Radha Krishna, and now you convert it into the edges form. This will convert you in a cartoon form, in a edges form, in a color form. Here you will get only color, here you will get only edges, and here you will get the edges only. So this way you can convert any picture into the cartoon form. Now I want to plot this image properly, so you get it into the one place. For that I have written another program in which I have used the matplot. For that I have to write image import CV2, import numpy as NP for the matrix, from matplotlib import pyplot as a plt. So I install numpy and matplotlib library from the Google, and then I am going to convert the Modi ji picture Modi ji picture. For that I will read first the Modi ji picture, then I blur it, then convert it into threshold form, and for that I have to write the image source, threshold in, and then maximum value, then CV2 threshold binary. So it will convert into binary form. The first picture is in a binary form, then we get the second picture adaptive threshold, in which we write image maximum value, then adaptive method, and then adaptive type is binary, and then block size in which we want to put the picture, show the picture. Then third image we are going to get the adaptive threshold Gaussian and threshold binary. This will take the clear picture of edges of the picture, and then we going to plot it one by one. For that I have to give the original title of the picture, original image, global threshold, adaptive mean threshold and adaptive Gaussian threshold. And then we take the list for the image, and one by one we convert, show it into the plot region. For that I have taken a loop for I in range 4. Then we plot it one by one. For plotting we have taken a matplotlib. So plt.subplot because we have to plot 4 pictures. So taken a position, subplot equals to 2, 2 I plus 1 plt image show. Now you are showing the image in gray color one by one, and then plot title. Then you have to give also the title with the picture, and then position of the picture, that is X tick and Y tick. So it will tell the coordinate of the picture. Now show the picture by using image, original image. I have taken ModiG image, so please run it and find out the plotted image. You will get the original image, then threshold image which take only the color, and then adaptive mean threshold which take the edges of the picture, and then Gaussian blur which clear the picture. And this is the way you can make any picture in a cartoon form. So now take another picture in which already there is a lot of image, already images have a border. So when you run it, then you will get the image. In this you are getting only color, in this you are getting only edges, and in this then after you blur the image and threshold the Gaussian thresholding, when you then it will clear the picture and show you the picture in a plot, in a plotted area. So this way you can make your picture in a cartoon form. So this is all today, viewers. If you like it, please share and subscribe, and please support me, I need it. And please run full video. You people leave it in a second, so we are not getting the run time. Please support us. We do it with so many efforts. Thank you.